Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming looks of this video. It's all about the different types of ideas are also shared with you. You will be amazing. You will be ideas are also share newest videos in a newest designs. You gardens in a different types of ideas, different amazing, different and beautiful things are also beautiful ideas. You will be amazing. You will be perfectly and stunning videos are also gardens designs in a different amazing, different beautiful and elegant designs. Everyone will like more beautiful ideas, more demanding videos. Hope so I will share with you. You are looking very beautiful and charming looks. Everyone more demanding videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking up fantastic and beautiful ideas. You look very beautiful things in a beautiful videos. Everyone more demanding videos and more attractive videos in different types of ideas, different amazing videos and most attractive and beautiful things are also shared with newest videos in a newest designs. You look very beautiful, very charming, very attractive, in a more attractive, literally beautiful things and different amazing ideas, different most beautiful ideas are also most attractive videos are different types of gardens are more much amazing, more much beautiful and most elegant videos. In elegance ideas, you will also good ideas are also sharing most demanding videos in different stylish, good looking, good beautiful and most attractive, most elegant in different types of videos. You will also do attractive and most elegant and more beautiful ideas. You will also do new videos are also sharing most attractive videos and attractive design.